Second period, September the 5th, Algebra 1. Warm-up quiz is first. Problem number 1. The answer on this one should be 44. Number 2. Answer on this one should be 34. Last one. The answer is 40. Bring up a number from 1 to 10. The winning number today is 5. The homework check is done up here at the desk, but not on this iPad. It'll be on the other one. Homework answers need to see 1 through 3. Answers are 2 over 11, 32 over 99, and 7 over 11. Bring up 4 through 6. 19 over 33, 1 over 9, and 4 over 9. If you have 3, come and get it. Answers to 7 through 9, bring them up. Answers are 2 and 46 over 99, 3 and 6 over 11, and 9 and 8 over 11. If you have 3 of them, come and get it. Bring up 10 through 12. Answers are 10 and 9 over 11, 7 over 9, and 2 over 9. Bring up 13 through 15. 25 over 99, 71 over 99, 28 over 33. Are there any questions about homework? And I think we already had some, so we'll insert a screen here and work it out. To change this to a fraction, you must let x equal 0.2525, repeating. And then, since you have 2 digits repeating, multiply everything by 100. This will give you 25.2525 repeating on the top. So, subtract 100x minus x is 99x. And 25.25 repeating minus 0.25 repeating is 25. Therefore, when you solve for x, it is 25 over 99. The objective for today is 9th grade number sense, and operations. Number 3. Explain the effects of operations such as multiplication or division and of computing powers and roots on the magnitude of quantities. Specifically, today's learning target is computations with squares and cubes, as well as square roots and cube roots. These will go by fairly quick if you use what you already know and pay attention to what we do today. Example problem number 1. The square root of 121. Does anybody know that right offhand without using a calculator? 11. Yeah, it should be 11. And remember these for future use because they don't go away. You shouldn't have to compute these more than once or twice. You should know them by heart after a couple of times of using them. Square root of 64. 8. Square root of 169. 13. And square root of 225. 15, yes. Here's example problem number 2. The square root of 361. 19 is right. Square root of 81. Square root of 49. Square root of 225. 15, yes. So on the first practice problem, simply bring up the answer. Try to do it without a calculator if possible. Square root of 196. On the practice problem, you should have 14. If you have that, come and get 2 million. Bonus problem. Square root of 289. The solution on this one should be 17. Keep in mind that 16 squared is 256, and 18 squared is 324. Keep those in mind for future reference as well. Another bonus problem. Square root of 576. Answer is 24. Practice problem number 2. The square root of 625. The solution is 25. If you have that, get 2 million. A bonus problem. Square root of 529. The answer to the bonus problem should be 23. Another bonus problem. The square root of 441. That's right. The answer on this one is 21. Example number 3. Now you have a number that you're going to multiply by the value of the square root. What is the square root of 25?
5.
So 3 times 5 is 15. Square root of 36. 6 times 9 is 54. And square root of 81. 9 times 11. 99, yes. Example problem number 4. Now you have cube roots in here. And a cube root is a number that results from, you can multiply itself and by itself again to get the number 8, for example. Here at the bottom, 5 times 5 times 5 is the same thing as saying 5 cubed. The answer is not what? It's not 15. What's 5 times 5? 25. 25 times 5? 125. So 125 is a perfect cube. 5 is a cube root. So what number would I multiply by itself, then by itself again to get 8?
4.
Not 4.
2.
2, yes. What number would I multiply by itself and then by itself again to get 64? 8, yes. Or not 8.
4.
4, yes, that's right. And what number would I multiply by itself and then by itself again to get 343? 6 would give me a 216. 8 cubed would be 512. 7, yes. So keep those in mind. You should only have to figure out the cube root of 343 so many times in your lifetime. After you see it, you should remember it after that. Alright, practice problems. The cube root of 512. The solution for this problem is 8. Bonus problem. The cube root of 125. Answer to the bonus is 5 because 5 times 5 times 5 is 125. In other words, 5 cubed is 125. Another bonus problem. The cube root of 8. The answer should be 2, not 512. It should be 2. Practice problem number 4. 3 times the square root of 9. Notice the 3 is not resting here. If it were, that's a cube root. The 3 is out to the left, so that's 3 times the square root of 9. The solution for the practice problem is 3 times 3, which is 9. Bonus problem. 12 times the square root of 49. Answer to the bonus is 84. Another bonus problem. 6 times the square root of 100. Solution is 60 for the bonus. It is time for the homework assignment. On this homework assignment, I will show you a couple of things. First of all, you just find the answer here and here, then add them together. It's no big deal. Same for this and this. Here, 5 times the square root of 25, and then add that to whatever you get for 6 times the square root of 49. Make sure you show all of your work. Down here, no different. Just evaluate each side, add together. This one shouldn't be a problem either because you find the answer for the square root of 4 and the square root of 9, add them together, and then square it. Same deal here and here. These, we just finished those. Also, remember, to get credit for your homework, you must write the problem number. Write the problem. Show all necessary steps to get the answer, which you will box. There are no exceptions. No work, no points.